Tell me about Develop Clothing.
Develop Clothing was started almost 5 years ago. We're going to celebrate our 5-year anniversary here in a couple weeks. And we are a streetwear fashion company, and basically we built our company around working with creative, other collaborative people, and hence that's why we're doing this great event with the Literate Magazine tonight that's hosting the event. And we do a full comprehensive line of everything from custom denim to t-shirts to hoodies and sweatshirts for both men and women, sell across the country. And the reason we've had such success is because we've really brought a creative community of people together. So the people at Develop and the people at Illiterate Magazine started talking and brainstorming a couple months ago, and they always do these great fundraisers where they bring really creative ideas together. And so we decided to team up and do our big fall release fashion show.
Now, is it just illustrative art or painted art in general?
Well, actually, Illiterate was started as a literary publication, hence the irony in the name. But we actually display work by people that work in a number of different mediums, everybody from writers to visual artists, and that includes photography, fashion, poetry, fiction, nonfiction, and as you mentioned, illustrative arts as well.
That is awesome, so a little bit of everything. Now, what kind of places can we pick up this magazine of yours?
You can pick up Illiterate around town. It's one of those things where you have to know where to go to get it because it goes so quickly. We actually drop it off in coffee shops, art galleries, but unfortunately and fortunately, it's usually gone about a day because they're free. So we drop it off, and unfortunately, I can't really tell people where to get one right now because they've all been taken. So you'll have to wait for the next issue to come out, and you can always get it on our website at illiteratemedia.com. We're always selling the printed issue there as well.
Anything you want to say to everybody who came tonight or might come to a future event?
I actually have a question for Adam. Adam, when is the next issue being released?
It's very secret, but I'll give you a hint. It's going to be sometime between the fall and the end of the year. But we're actually going to be announcing that very soon, so I don't want to give it away too early. It's something that comes out once a year, the print issue, and this is actually a fundraiser for the print issue, and it's, like I said, that's how we keep it affordable for everybody that's involved. And I guess the one thing I'd want to say to everybody that will be seeing this, if you're an artist, if you're a writer, even if you don't think that you are, go to our website, submit. You never know if you find yourself in the next publication.
That's awesome. And then one more big shout out for you. You know, when's the next show? How can we check out your apparel?
Well, go to developclothing.com, spelled DVLPclothing.com. Our next big event is probably September 3rd, possibly the 4th, but stay tuned. It's going to be our 5-year anniversary party. The theme is Where the Wild Things Are from the children's book.
That's awesome.
So it's going to be this big and this much fun. So stay tuned.
I love it. And then before we leave off here, can you leave us with a haiku off the top of your head? A haiku.
I've never been one for inspirational moments. I'll see you later.
Damn!